Well, these guys are taking a bit. I wanted to, you know, come up with a cool thing to say, but cockblockers, I can't believe you stayed together so long. Your ass cheeks, I mean. That was a difficult breakup. Welcome back with Mark Jackson, guys. We're right where we left off, except for I did go back and take care of our unfinished business in the previous episode. Send to the Soul Spire. The music's already slapping up here pretty good, so... this doesn't look good.
Inside that citadel is the soul extraction ship.
Okay, maybe we're alright.
We must make our way through into the top, where the pure Argent energy is exported directly to Erdak.
Want that clear, pure white lady. Oh, shit. Well, that answers that. Let's bone these guys. And what do I have behind me? Oh, pain elemental. What the hell did that lock onto? Oh. I was like, why can't I lock onto that now? Well, it was doomed. I gotta look at my runes too, but I think we've got the longer stagger enabled. Alright. Give me all the ammos. All the ammos, all the Viagras. I need them, I'm getting older. And, let's not get too far ahead of ourselves. Man, this is fucking gorgeous, guys. Okay, we've got significant things happening on both sides of the bridge. Oh, look at this. BFG fuel. That looks farther. Okay, yeah. Okay, we got a situation over here with a 1-up. I don't want to fall, is the thing. And that'll give us 3 pips on the saw. Oh, why, you know, bearing in mind the challenges, why didn't I, bash those guys? Well, after I cut the previous episode, I just bashed the guys. I got part of that challenge done. And then I loaded the checkpoint a few times and got the whole thing done. So, that's how we did it. Yeah, you load in this mission, go and glory, or, you know, blood punch those 2 dudes, and then reload the checkpoint, do it again. That's how you do it. There's no way I can make that jump. Which means... Man, look at this red over here. It means there's something more to this location. Gotta be on my side, but I can't. I think Leroy Jenkins! Okay, maybe. No, I was right. I know I'm right, but. No! Shit! That was crappy. Gives us a 1-up. Oh, okay. Well, that's neat. My colon does not like this at all. Alright, now that it's Bill Cosby, he needs to use it later. Okay. Get them before they get you. We're gonna need, if we ever do go back to the hub, we're gonna need to check those things out. So this is gonna be aerial. Without a doubt. I mean, where can we go? This weapon system works well with aerial targets, so... Ah! I'm on the wrong... Damn it. How did that happen? What I wanted. And somehow I was just, okay, we're gonna fail this. I've got to make an adjustment. Okay. So more secrets over here and progression, right? No. Alright, let's double check for weapons and ammo here. And this thing obviously uses plasma rounds, so I could use those. I'm not a big fan of this arbalist. And the fault is mine. The fault is mine because I simply haven't learned how to use it. But, you know, since we're in the air, we're outside. 55 rounds. Well, I wasted a lot. Shit, how the hell? Well, it looks like they're saying go ahead and try it. Every time I think I can't make a jump, the jump is easy. Oh, yeah. Well, you're done. Oh, I hate you. Yeah, give me the health. Ah. This fire, just for a mental note, does not knock you off. It does obviously hurt you, but it doesn't blow you off the whole damn set, which I think is cool. What? Oh, I missed a... Okay. Hopefully he explodes. Explode! I command thy. Thee, thy, whatever. Don't swallow it. Just blow up. Weapon point acquired. That's something we're gonna have to mess with too. Because we have 2 mastery tokens and... Oh shit, I thought that was a wall we could climb. Crap. Well, I know better now. Patience. And I will check my runes and mastery when I can. Oh God! I thought we bit it there. Sure. I'm lobbing too hard. Probably shouldn't be doing this. Burning all my shotgun ammo. All right, let's check. Obviously, there's nothing to be done with the suit. We're maxed. In case you want to see. Alright, runes. Equipment fiend, dazed and confused, and saving throw. Ah, gosh. See, I'd really like to go to Chrono Strike over saving throw, and I think I'll do that. I'll try it. And then let's head to the arsenal. We got 4 weapon points. It's not enough, really, to... Yeah... Mobile turn is something that we cheated and used a mastery point. We didn't cheat, you know, of course, but... Herbalist, Destroyer, Blade. We'll wait and think about it, I guess. Alright, well... I need ammo, bro! I need armor from you! Fuck me, what? Yeah, when you were empowered, they weren't kidding. You have my axe. Oh, and I think we're full on this. Oh. I hate these guys. I hate getting close to them guys. Well, I thought something else just spawned in here. One more weapon point. I need armor. I need everything. Alright. Secrets. What do we got? I would hate to leave that behind. Maybe there's something up ahead of us that we can juice up. Gotta come up with a name for this thing. It's hell energy, so maybe energy straight from hell, so... Nah, I can't get political. And he told me so. Get spanked by your own daughter because I've already violated the rules a couple of times here. Let's say appear on the map. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I want that. And, well, look. What are we going to pick, eh? Alright. Oh, my God! That was a big one up there. Oh, fuck me. Settle into that. Let me wiggle. Wiggling in there. Lower intestine. We're good. We're good. Now we are storing all the crystals in the safest spot we got. Alright, consult the map because I'm thinking we might have left some secrets behind. Looks like we're gonna have to... Hopefully we don't have to jump down. That's what I'm hoping for. That way we can come back for this. Sort of dreading this. Just a little bit. This mission hasn't been easy for a lot of swing bars. Just trying to scope it. Let's see. How are we gonna... No. We charge up.
Your people are made to suffer. Processed souls for the Khan Maker's world. I assure you, this could have been avoided with different leadership.
You can say that again. Don't get... Oh, my God. A lot of dead bodies right there. I think I need that armor. Oh! Yeah. Is that a haste? I can't even tell what the hell is going on right now. This game was already too fast. Snake bitch. Taylor Swift in the house. Recharge, recharge. Shield, be helpful. Oh, God, that was an accident. Automatically switched that. Somebody led me up, right? Who's next? Fuck me. Get some health back here and try to use these guys. Trying to avoid him a little bit. Let my stuff recharge. Well, good. We have use for you. We have use for both of you. It's going to take a minute. Sorry, guys. Let's search around for secrets and see what we missed in the meantime. Ammos and ordnance and the ability to service enemies with hot hate. Alright, well, I lost track of where those guys were. They'll find me. I think I want to double out of his ass. Oh yeah, that. Don't forget that fuel, Mark. That thing goes so far up your ass, and you forget. We used one of our. Yeah, we need to head back this way and pray to God that we can get back out of here. How do we do it? Please let me back through. Yes. See, in the previous episode, what happened is we killed him too good. That's why I missed those 2 challenges. One of the challenges I missed was killing any demon with the Argent, with the sword, with the crucible, because I was saving it. And then the mission just flipping ended. The other one was the Doom Hunter. And I blew those bastards out of the water too vigorously, and that's what occurred. Alright, well. Armor laying on the ground here, might as well. We're loaded on shotgun shells. I wish now we're enjoying maximum ammo capacity we have for an episode or 2. But it's still only 24. I think that was wise. We should have. And one thing we didn't use was our blood punch. I didn't even think about it at the time. What do we got? This is one of the soul spires identified in the Argenta text, built into the central columns of Necroval. Although most soul spires were linked directly to Argent Noir through a Hell Priest created a continuum gate. This particular one is linked to your dick. How about that? The home world of the makers. They gotta spell everything with a Y to make it more mysterious. I don't understand that. Alright. Like kids' names. Let's just use an I. There is no continuum gate here, presumably due to the con maker's natural distrust of those under her charge. Oh, that one we want to bone. The soul spires were designed by the makers to accelerate by processing the mortal victims into Argent energy. We've got that whole backstory. You just make them watch The View over and over and over again, and when their soul is broken, then you can extract their sentinel slaves under the direction of Order Daig. It sounds like a hot dog, I don't know why. This forced labor was a crucial step in fulfilling the con maker's desire for Argent, as beings from your dick are able to cross over into Hell's dimension. Well, my dick runs deep. What's the image? Pretty cool image. Don't know how I'm going to put Nugget in there, but... Okay, back the way we came. Check for... We got some shit going on here. And we got an obvious... And that makes it so much easier. I'm telling you. Alright, well, we got a... Yeah, we're pretty locked up tight here, so... And let me go over my runes once more. Chrono Strike Days and Confused. Yeah. So... Probably looking at something... It's going to be in our face from both sides, I guess. It is. Yummy. Okay, what's that do for weapon points? Arsenal. 8 weapon points. Alright, we can do something. We're done here. I need to get this working for me. The faster beam charge is cool. Well, what do I need working for me more? Mobile turret's already done. Can't do anything with those two. I know this is a good weapon. I just can't. And that's probably the better of the two upgrades. I just can't get with it. And if that's going to be the case, then it's down really to the shotgun. And the, excuse me. And the plasma. How much are the full auto things? 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, if we do that and this, that'll give us a couple of points to spare for the microwave beam down the road. So we kind of split the difference. Now, shit, one of these. But we learned this in the previous episode. Where is it? Where are you, bastard? Yep. Stupid map noise again. It's here. I know it's here. Maybe this platform. Is this? Yeah, okay. There she is. Oh, wrong weapon for that. Load the checkpoint, please. Well, yeah, load it. Why not? Don't make me kill everything again. Alright, over here. And my big problem was with that was I zoomed in and couldn't see. And now I lost it again. There. Let's not make the same mistake twice. Oh, you know what I forgot? Darn it. Because I suck. The fat one. Alright. Dazed and confused for air control. These aerial ones, they can get frustrating. I'll tell you that. How? Okay. We'll just keep doing it. This is something I feel like I should get easily. Alright. Got it. Now, before we forget, let's go back to Dazed and Confused. It was Dazed and Confused, wasn't it? That's one. Now let's consult the map here. One-way elevator to hell going down, but we sure could use that BFG fuel. Jumping right back into the soup. Not the first time this episode. I think I want to be a little bit better prepared when we do. I can never... Yeah. Let's just see if there's anything... Now that, I think, is going to do us. Don't have any ammo. Alright, well.
This is raw Argent energy. The suffering on
There's
Earth
fuel.
will shed all of it for this. Once the soul is extracted, the husk of the human body will over time transform into
Husk.
demons you fight
Shit.
now. The extracted soul that remains will power their will. The essence of hell.
Sandal, you're an asshole. Move to live. Oh. I'm tired of doing that to myself. Get that in case we need it. It's all going ham. The shield guy is killing me. Uh-oh. Oh, is that a marauder? It's a marauder. I forgot that fucker can catch me, can't he? Damn it! Struggling. Help, please. Wherever he is, he's taking a sweet time. I didn't kill him. There ain't no way I killed him. Where is he? Oh, there he is, right in my face. Oh, God. Did we at least get the arch file? Nope. Alright, guys. Time to go to war.
This is raw Argent.
What's next? Oh, shit. Got him. I'm gonna milk the crap out of this, guys. Whole damn area. Oh boy, that was a fight. Give me all the armors. Alright, let's make ourselves useful and run around in action. See what else is available in the area. That was a bitch. Now, I cut 2 tries out of that. I'll admit. Full disclosure. And the reason why is I managed to succeed, but I didn't get the arch file in the proper spot. I had better check that. Yeah. So I had it. I didn't kill the arch file with the proper glory kill. The first one I think you guys saw, he was standing right on a ledge and I couldn't get around to him to hit him on the appropriate side. And things just kind of went, things got better from there. Things got quite a bit easier. I just couldn't get him. Couldn't get him on the appropriate side. So that time we did. Oh, jeez. Not fixed the absolute worst for ammo, I'll say that much. What's progression here? Where's some secrets at? Ooh. Oh. Okay. What's this one? Pause if you want to read, guys. Not very nice to people, are they? See that? Flesh and metal. Sounds good. In 2016. Yeah, I hope we can go back to the hub, because there's a lot of things. Oh, shit. I think I see the way of it, though. Yep. Here we go. How the hell do we get... Okay. Oh, that was close. Just... Damn it. Oh, this... Yeah, the fire's kicking my butt. And we're kind of trapped is the thing. Work your way up. I guess do it a little bit faster, Mark. I'm getting roasted. Oh, I saw one up too. Oh. Just get me out of here. There's the one up. Well, it didn't burn us too bad. Got ourselves a checkpoint here, so I think this is maybe where I'm gonna leave it. So this will be a checkpoint, but we could go ahead just a little bit, and do we have secrets? Maybe give you a glimpse to see what's next here. And also, arsenal. 5 weapon points. 2 mastery points. Well, auto's going to cost 5. You know, I'm going to do it. And what's a mastery? Kill 15 pinkies? Just bypass it. Because I want to see what the skin is for it. The weapon skin for the shotgun. I want the old wood one. But I think that's a pre-order thing, and I most certainly did not pre-order this game. Alright.
The demons only utilize a portion of the resources that come from the human soul. It was the Makers and the Sentinel Priests who discovered and unlocked the true power of the essence. They combined Sentinel and Hell energies together, refined it, and created large. With it they did wondrous things. Saved worlds from extinction. Healed the sick.
So we're watching the process, obviously.
Power to those worthy of it.
I already see this gate opening across the way. Well, boys and beautiful ladies, this looks like a shit ton of fun. We're going to tackle that in the next episode. Hey, I've been Mark Jackson, and one of my butt cheeks is somewhere over there. The other one's, you know, kind of floating around in the twister. Somebody call Bill Paxton, man.